guys, I'm Milad. Welcome back to another tutorial from 3D channel. Today I want to teach you how to create patina material like this on wood in Corona Render. So to do this we need two material and two curvature maps. One curvature maps for inner edges like here, and for another curvature maps, it means the second curvature maps for the other edges like this part. Okay, all right, now let's go and I will show you how to set it up step by step. First of all, we need two materials. One materials, look at this, it's a darker wood, and the second one the lighter wood. I have to blend it two materials together. How can I blend it together? For blending, I want to use Corona Layered for blending. Bring the Corona Layered for blending here. Right click, hide and use node slats. The darker wood, it's base material, so I have to connect it the base material with the darker wood. And second one, the lighter wood. The lighter wood here we use it for edges, for inner edges, for the inner edges and for the outer edges. So I have to put it here and connect it together. We'll need to separate curvature map to get the effect right. In the first one, I have to bring it Corona Curvature. The second Corona Curvature, we have to change the color, convex color and concave color. Convex color, it's mean effect on in and outer edges, but the concave color affected on inner edges. Look at this. Just the moment I want to set a simple color material, Corona Legacy. Corona LayeredMtl here and open it, hide the, change the color to red. Look at this here. And second one, keep shift, create a copy. Again, change the color to green. Put it in layer 1. It's for base layer. It's used for base layer. It's used for layer 1. I'll look at this here. I want to assign this material to this model. Look at this, the base color. Wait, for base color, use it this. For convex and concave, use it another color. Again, shift, press shift and copy. Use it another color. Selected another color for this, for the layered 2, and shift again, create a copy for the second curvature. The first curvature, for first curvature we have to change it the color, the red color to black. And second one, this one to white, this one to blank. Check it again, this one to, I have to, this, I have to put it white color. Look at this. You can see very easily the green color and blue color. The green color affected on inner edges and the blue color affected on the outer edges, like this. I want to change it to gray color. I think it's better for understanding. It's better. If I want distribute the color and distribute the color, I have to change the color spread like this. Increase it the number and you can see again. So what does color spread do? It controls how much the color from the edges is spread out on the surface. If the value is low, the effect stays right on the edges like a thin line, but if you make it higher, the color spread more like it's fading into the wood. This helps the patina look more soft and natural and not too sharp. This for the outer edges. Good, perfect. Come back to main materials. Use it the base materials. Here you know curvature, how to work. Okay, so we have to assign main material. Main material, it's meant the darker material as base material and lighter material as layered. We don't need this exactly. Don't need this. I removed all of them and use it the lighter wood materials for layer 1 and layer 2, because the inner and for the inner edges and the outer edges, both of them has the same color, so I use it only one material for both of them, for layer 1 and for layer 2, and second step, adjusted it to different value. Okay, that's good. Look at this. I think I have to increase the max distance. What's the difference between max distance and color spread? Max distance tells Corona how far to look from the edge. Low value, it only checks close. High value, it sees more of the model. Color spread controls how soft the edges effect fades. Low, sharper line. High, smooth like blended fade. By the fade effect is, I think it's better sentences. And increase. That's good. That's good. Again here, increase this. For inner, for this, I think. Sorry, this no for inner. Again, increase the color spread for softer effect. 0.2 is good. Look at this. Perfect. Super. If you added effect like texture and mask, added the grunge texture here. I want to add some effect here. Now it's very simple. Yes, so we can add it grunge texture. I bring it the grunge texture here. I have one grunge texture here, and I want to this grunge affected an in-ear part, so add it to this. For in-ear, add it to in-ear texture, in-ear curvature, like this. Here, convex color. No, convex color is black, and I have to change it slat to concave color, because the concave color it's mean the in-ear edges. So use it the swap option. Oops. Good. Change it the mask like this, but it's so high. I need to decrease the effect on that. And this, like this. See here, now the curvature effect, it's not the same. It's not the simple. We have some grunge effect on curvature. So good. Yes, it was so easy. Now, what do you think? That's it. I hope this tutorial will be good and will be useful for you.